Hey guys, this is Jimmy from jimmysdiy.com. As a homeowner, I'm pretty sure some of you come across with a dryer that you have, and when you open the lid it doesn't stop. So there is usually a safety switch, usually on the door, that is there. So when you open the lid of the dryer when it's running, it should turn it off. So on mine, this is Whirlpool, and my switch is gone bad, so I've ordered a replacement from Amazon, and today I will show you how you can fix this on one of these Whirlpool or some of the similar models. Let's get right in. So for today, you're gonna need a putty knife, a Phillip, and a flathead, and then the replacement switch. All right, so let's dive right in. Remove the lint screen, which is right here, and then you're gonna also remove the two screws that are on the lint screen. 1, 2. All right. So you got the two screws off. Alright, so once the screws are removed, you're going to need a putty knife. The reason for that is there are two clips on 1 inch apart from the dryer's end that you need to use a putty knife to depress and open the clips. So it took me a little bit of haggling to release one of the clip. You can see here is the clip. What you want to do is you're going to push it inward. Don't shove it underneath. Basically, you don't want to put the putty knife under the clip, but you want to just push it, and it's gonna lift up. So I'm just going to leave this screwdriver here, the flathead, so it doesn't close, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And it does take a little bit of force in the haggling. For haggling, I was able to release, and what you want to do is you want to move this up a little bit. The sensor switch is right over here, this one right here, and that's the clip. So you want to do is you want to remove the two screws from the bottom and leave the plug connected, so in case it doesn't fall in there, you want to open the door where you load your clothes from, and remove the screws that are holding the switch first. So let's do that. So I'm going to show you where the screws are located for this. Just give me a second. Right there, these are the two screw 1, 2 for the switch, and you're gonna remove these. Alright guys, I'm done removing the two screws that are over here that hold the switch, so I am going to simply lift this guy up and take this, bring it on this side. I'm going to use this again and unclip this. Alright, so what I did was I took a flathead and then I kind of pry this up a little bit, and then it came right out. Looks like fairly easy, and then the switch goes in a single way. You can see the angle on this side, so just going to mask that and going to feed that in. All right, just gonna screw that switch in. All right, so that switch is done. This is my old one. You can see this is broken and it's busted, basically. Doesn't hold up. All right, so this is done. You could hear the click too. That means it's good. And then what we're going to do is we could close this, but right before I close it, I want to test it. So I'm gonna close the dryer, turn it on real quick. There we go. There we go. See, it's working. When you close it, it should let you start. You start, and then you open the lid, it turns it off. That's all it is. And then you're just going to clip this back right in and put these screw back on. So let's do that. Make sure you do not drop your screws into the vent screen chamber. This is it. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for future content. Thank you.